it's really a magical story. It's a story about ancient royalty, healing herbs, and a health tradition that focuses on balancing minds and bodies. It's a belief that beauty is inside out. The story of Jamu started as early as 722 AD on the reliefs of Borobudur, one of the biggest temples in the world, where you can see how the royal courts had knowledge of the herbs and recipes. Back then, you would have healers who would look after everyone, from royalty to the local villager, and their purpose would be to bring health and a sense of peace to the community. These ingredients are blended together synergistically to support your well-being. From the pungent herb tonics for internal health, to natural concoctions for clear skin, and to the epic, lush, deliciously decadent body scrubs fit for royalty, the healers, they carefully craft it all. So a few hundred years ago, ancient royalty asked their healers to create recipes that weren't only for ailments, but also for beauty rituals, for relaxation and pampering, because Indonesians value health and beauty not only as a physical condition, but also a mental one. In this land of lush tropical landscapes and beautiful scenery, we embrace the wholeness of nature, where inner peace and happiness is an important element of our health and beauty philosophy. The Jamu tradition embraces the joy of living as an integral part of true beauty. Overall, Jamu is a lifestyle. It's a living tradition of taking care of your health and focusing on self-love to bring out the best in you.